Next question. Wenden Company is a Dutch-based company which has following expected transactions. 1 month expected receipt of £240,000. In 1 month expected payment of £140,000. In 3 months expected receipt of £3 lakh. The finance manager has collected the following information. Spot exchange rate is given, 1 month forward exchange rate and 3 months forward exchange rate is given. Money market rates have been provided to us. For 1 year, information is given to us. Assume that say right now, say it is the 1st of April. You are required to calculate the expected euro receipt in 1 month and in 3 months using forward market. B. Calculate expected euro receipt in 3 months using money market hedge and recommend whether forward market hedge or money market hedge should be used. That is the question. So friends, for 1 month and for 3 months, the information is given to us that calculate the expected euro receipt in 1 month and in 3 months using forward market hedge. So in the first question, forward market hedge is required to be applied and expected euro receipt in 3 months using money market hedge. So money market hedge is provided over here and recommend whether forward market or money market hedge should be used. So over here you have to take decision. So there are 4 things to be done. 3 calculations and 1 decision for 3 months. I request all of you to make this calculation and post your answer in the chat box. So now let us have only a discussion, then we will proceed further for doing answer. In case of 1 month, you are going to receive 2,40,000 and you are going to pay 140. So of course, net amount of 1 lakh that you are going to receive. And for that say we will enter into the forward contract for conversion of pound into euro. This is what we understand. At this point of time, the spot exchange rate information is useless. At this point of time, 1 month forward exchange rate information is useful. This is the exchange rate which is given to us. So 1.7826 / 1.7832. In a way that say this 0.0003 will be say added to this and it will be deducted to this. When you add, it becomes the right hand side rate, and if you deduct, it becomes the left hand side rate. This is what we understand is a euro per pound. So for every 1 pound you will get less amount of euro. So this is the applicable rate, 1.7826 into 1 lakh. Product of this two is the answer, 1.7826 into 1 lakh. So it is 1,78,260 euro. This is what we understand is the answer that we have over here for 1 month forward market, that is the forward market hedge. I want everybody of you to give answer for this. We'll write the answer gradually. However, let us have a discussion. 3 months forward contract is entered upon. Then in that case, what amount you are going to receive in euro currency? Now we understand that again you are going to have the conversion of the pound into euro. So it is 1.7846 minus 0.0004. So 1.7842 multiplied by 3 lakhs. So 3 lakhs into 1.7842. That comes to 5,35,260 euro. This is the amount of the euro that you are going to receive. So the right answer for the A question. In the write down forward market hedge. In that, write down working note number 1. Calculation of forward exchange rate for a time period of 1 year. For a time period of 1 month and for a time period of 3 months. For 1 month, we have been provided with the rates like this: 1.7829 plus minus 0.0003. 1.7829 plus minus 0.0003. So we will have 1.7826 slash 1.7832 euro per pound. Okay. Similarly, for 3 months, it is 46 and 0004. 1.7846 plus or minus 0.0004. So 1.7842 slash 1.7850. It is again euro per pound. This is the way we find simple the forward exchange rate. Okay. Now, forward market hedge for 1 month net receipt. Please write down answer. We understand it's the forward contract for conversion of pound into euro. When you convert the pound into euro, you will receive less amount of euro. So 1.7826 is the applicable rate, and this is 1 lakh. So how this is 1 lakh? 2,40,000 minus 1,40,000. Euro and pound. 1 pound is equal to 1.7826. This is the amount of euro for 1 lakh pound. So the final answer, $1.7826 into 1 lakh. Divided by 1 does not make a sense. So 178,260 euro. This is the amount of the euro that you are going to receive. Now 3 months. I request all of you to write down answer along with me. Forward market hedge. Again the same contract. Sell of pound and purchase of euro. So over here we understand this is the rate and the amount is 3 lakhs. For 3 lakhs pound, you will get this amount of euro. So conversion of the pound into euro, you will get 1.7842. So euro and pound. So this amount of the euro for 3 lakhs pound. So 3 lakhs into 1.7842 divided by 1. So 535,260. So this is the amount of the euro that you are going to receive. I want all of you to do answer for this. That is like money market hedge for 3 months. Try to calculate answer and put your answer in the chat box. So let us see that in case of 3 months, If at all we go for the money market hedge, then in that case, how to do the answer? We understand that, say, basically we are going to receive pound currency, and pound currency is a foreign currency for us. So we will borrow in pound currency. What is the rate of interest of borrowing? 5.4%. And what is the time period? It is 3 months. So 5.4% into 3 divided by 12. We can say that the rate of interest is 1.35% roughly. Okay. The amount that we are going to receive is 3 lakh pound. So 3 lakh pound divided by 1.0135. This is the amount of the pound that say we are going to borrow today. In spot transaction, sell of pound and purchase of euro. So we will get lesser amount of the euro. So 1.7818. This is the amount of the euro that say we are going to receive today. Whatever this amount that we have received, that will be invested for 3 months. For the euro currency, per annum rate of interest is 4.6. So for 3 months it would be how much? 1.15%. 1.0115. And this is the way we can get the answer. So we can say that over here 3 lakh divided by 1.0135 into 1.7818 into 1.015. So the answer comes to 5,35,331.13. This is the amount of the pound that we are going to receive after 3 months. This amount of the pound will be compared with alternative number 1, and that is, say, the forward market hedge. Yeah, there is a mistake in calculation. 3 lakh upon 1.0135 into 1.7818 into 1.0115. So 5,33,485.16. This is the way we'll get the answer. Sorry. So let us answer the B question. Money market hedge. In the breakdown, step number 1, calculation of amount of pound to be borrowed today. So we understand today and after 3 months. We understand that the borrowing rate for sterling means pound is 5.4%. So every 1 pound that you borrow today will have the repayment of loan as 1.0135. So over here it is 0.054 into 3 divided by 12. We understand that, say, we need to have the repayment of the loan as 3 lakh pound. So this is the amount that, say, we will borrow today. So it is 3 lakhs into 1 does not make a sense, divided by 1.0135. So 2,96,003.95. So this is the amount of the pound that we will borrow today. Step number 2, spot transaction. Dear students, the spot transaction is sell of pound and purchase of euro. This is the amount of the pound that will be converted into euro. It is 2,96,003.95 pound will be converted into this amount of euro. What is the spot exchange rate? This is the spot exchange rate. 1.7818 and 1.7822. 1.7818 slash 1.7822 euro per pound. This is what we understand. So conversion of the pound into euro, you'll get less amount of euro. So this is the rate which would be applicable. So euro and pound. 1.7818 euro is equal to 1 pound. So this is the amount of euro for 2,96,003.95 pound that you have borrowed. So the final answer would be 2,96,003.95 into 1.7818 whole divided by 1. So 296,003.95 into 1.7818. So it is 5,27,419.84 euro. So this is the amount of the euro that you will receive today. Afterwards, it will be invested. So step number 3. In that, maturity amount. Maturity amount is principal plus interest. So 5,27,419.84 into, now when you deposit you will get the lower rate of interest, and for euro the lower rate of interest is 4.6%. Just you have to be slightly careful for all the rates that say you select. So it is 1.0115. So it is 0.046 into 3 divided by 12. So 527,419.84 into 1.0115. So the final answer is 5,33,000 5,33,485.17. This is the way we can compute the maturity amount of deposit. Okay, now for 3 months only you have to take a decision. So decision: forward market hedge and money market hedge. In case of money market hedge, 533, 485.17, and for forward market hedge, the answer that say we already have found, yes, 535,260. 535,260. This is the comparable amount in domestic currency and at one point of time, that is after 3 months. And of course, we will select the alternative which is able to give us higher amount. So let us have a small revision of the entire answer. First of all, the forward market hedge. In case of forward market hedge, we compute the forward exchange rate for a time period of 1 month and for a time period of 3 months. Afterwards, in case of the forward market hedge, what you are going to receive is calculated for 1 month as well as for 3 months. Money market hedge, of course, this is quite important. In that, say, first of all, you borrow in the foreign currency, that is in pound currency, that is present value of the amount to be received, 2,96,000 something. You convert that pound into euro, that is in your domestic currency. Then you make investment, and afterwards, lastly, you make a comparison for the purpose of decision.